Over the next few days, our weather will be coming in from the Atlantic with bands of rain, some fresher winds, particularly towards the northwest, and this rain will push ever southeastwards. But for the time being, we still have some humid air across the southeast and an amber warning for thunderstorms. So the risk of some torrential downpours through Wednesday evening. Also the threat of lightning as well as hail and some surface water issues. But eventually that threat will wane, it will turn drier. At the same time, more cloud and rain will arrive around midnight across western Scotland and Northern Ireland. The winds will pick up some strength here. Cooler inland across mid-Wales, northern counties of England, eastern parts of Scotland. In rural spots, temperatures could dip down into single figures. So a bit of a showery start to the day across Scotland, windy across western parts of Scotland. That showery rain extends towards Northern Ireland. Also, some wet weather just coming and going across the northwest of England as well as Wales. More cloud further south and east, just a rogue shower clipping the far east there, but some brighter skies coming through for the West Country, eastern parts of England through the morning and even the far east of Scotland. But through the day, we watch as this band of rain continues to make inroads down towards England and Wales, and the rain could pep up across the western side of Wales through the afternoon. At the same time, a scattering of showers for the southeast, East Anglia, an outside chance of thunder here. Showers will then follow across western Scotland and Northern Ireland with some sunshine, but still a keen breeze, particularly across the Western Isles. So it's quite a messy picture. That rain disintegrating into showery bursts through the evening time. And again, some moderate bursts can't be ruled out across the northwest of Wales as well as northwestern areas of England. Temperatures then still feeling very warm towards the southeast in any sunshine, 27 degrees Celsius. Fresher across Scotland and Northern Ireland, 18 to 20 Celsius. Now here's your broader picture. The weather becomes quite mobile, some sunshine interspersed with more persistent bands of rain. Certainly on Saturday morning you'll see some heavier rain across western Scotland with some gales for a time along the coast. Showery rain always pushes down towards the southeast. Some brighter skies to start the day on Sunday, a ridge of high pressure, cooler in the north as well as the east, before more rain arrives across more western areas later. So here's your cities list for Friday. Still warm in the sunshine, certainly some showers in the mix as well. And into the weekend, that rain gradually pushes its way down towards England and Wales, but some sunshine either side. Wherever you are, stay safe if you do catch those thunderstorms as we head through Wednesday evening. And certainly if you are interested in the longer term picture, the 10-day trend, check out our YouTube channel this week presented by Ada McGiven.